Good morning everyone. Today I'll show you a 15 minutes morning yoga that you can do twice a day also. So just a disclaimer, I'm also a beginner. So let's get started.
We will begin from the top of our mat. Bring your feet together and ground down. Take a deep inhale in and exhale. As you exhale, relax your shoulder and open your chest. If you notice you're arching your back, then tuck your hips so that your tailbone comes down. Now take 3 deep breaths. Very good. Now inhale and reach your arms up. You should feel a stretch on your armpits and abdomen. Now exhale and forward fold. Since this is your first forward fold, you can keep your knees bent. Uttanasana, which helps with the digestion and blood circulation to the brain. Now inhale and come halfway up. Ardha Uttanasana. Your back should be straight as a table. Inhale. And with your exhale, come to a plank position, Falak Asana. Now rock your entire body back and forth. You should feel a stretch in your calf muscles. If you find this challenging, you can keep one knee on the mat. Keep your focus on your breathing. Inhale and exhale. Now change sides. Keep moving. Very nice. Now come back to plank. Now raise your right leg slightly above the ground and let it hover. It should be a few inches above the mat. Might be challenging, so please focus on your breath. Change sides and do the same thing on your left side. And evenly distribute your weight on both of your hands. Inhale, and as you exhale, bring both of your knees on the mat. Now we'll go down like we do in a push-up, just our elbows will be tucked in. Inhale, exhale, go down and forward. Now with a slight back bend, we'll take Cobra, Bhujangasana. Inhale, exhale, inhale. Now as you exhale, push back to downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Try lifting your hip high up and push your weight away from your hands. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. See if you can take your chin towards your chest, looking towards your navel. Very good. Now take your right foot between your hands and then left, and then slowly come up to tabletop. With your exhale, come to forward fold. Inhale, slowly come up with your hands reaching up and stretch. Urdhva Hastasana. Exhale, hands in front of chest. Now sit back like you sit in a chair with hands reaching forward. Your back should be straight, so make sure you're not arching it. Inhale, exhale, come to forward fold. Now try to bring your chest to your thighs. You don't need to push yourself too hard. Take a space that is available for you. As I've heard, yoga should be comfortable. Inhale and come up to half forward fold. And with your exhale, step back into plank. Bring your knees on your mat and then slither forward. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Straighten your elbows Take the back bend a little bit further. Look up and stretch. And try to raise your knees off the mat. Inhale. And with your exhale, come to downward facing dog. Inhale. And bring your right foot between your hands. And your left foot comes at a 60-degree angle. Your right knee should be at 90 degrees. And with your inhale, come up. Veerbhadrasana 1, warrior pose. Be still and stand strong in this pose. Inhale. And with your exhale, bring your hands to the mat and step back to plank. Bring knees to the ground and slither forward in Chaturanga. Inhale here. Exhale. Try to lift your knees off the mat if available. Otherwise, you can keep it on the mat. Now with your exhale, come to downward facing dog. Try to be present in the moment. Bring your attention to your breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. With your exhale, bring your left foot in between your hands and come up to Veerbhadrasana 1. Your right foot should be in a 60-degree angle. Inhale. And with your exhale, bring your hands onto the mat and step back to plank. Now bring your knees onto the mat and slither forward, and we'll take Chaturanga. Inhale. Exhale. Open your chest. Let your chest come between your elbows. Now with your exhale, come to downward facing dog. Try to bring your chin to the chest. Inhale. Exhale. This might be difficult if you're starting off, but if you practice this every day, and you'll feel the difference within a week. Keep concentrating on your breath. Inhale. Exhale. Now look at your hands and step your right foot followed by left. Come into tabletop back. Exhale. Uttanasana, forward fold. Now inhale, Utkatasana, chair pose. Sit back and your knees should not cross your toes. Keep a neutral back, and with your exhale, stand up tall. Now from top of the mat, bring your right foot back at a 60-degree angle. Inhale and raise your arms up in Veerbhadrasana 1. Exhale and open your arms in Veerbhadrasana 2. Now the navel should be facing towards the front. Your gaze should be towards the left hand. Very nice. Now release and step to the top of the mat. Now step your left foot back at a 60-degree angle. Right knee should be bent. Inhale and raise your arms up. Exhale, Veerbhadrasana 2. Bring your hands onto the ground and come into plank. Now in plank, we'll take the right knee to the right elbow and then the left knee to the left elbow. Now let us continue doing this. Right knee to the right elbow, left knee to the left elbow. Right knee touches the right elbow, left knee touches the left elbow. Right knee, right elbow, left knee, left elbow. Right, right, left, left. Bring your knees onto the ground. Sit back into child's pose. Relax and deepen your breath. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Apart from the physical benefits, I've always found peace in yoga. No matter how stressed I am, I've always found calmness. Take a deep inhale, exhale. Now come up, swing your legs to one side, bring in front, and come to a seated staff pose. Inhale. With your exhale, place your hands behind you. Fingers should be facing towards your hips. Now we'll take a reverse plank. Push with your hands and lift your body up. Your torso goes up and head hangs loose. Inhale. With your exhale, come back. We'll take a counter pose. Inhale, raise your arms up. With your exhale, try to hold your big toes. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. We'll try to keep our back straight and bend slowly. Now bend your right knee and bring your right heel close to the right hip and bring your right hand to the back of you. Two options. Either hug your right knee with your left hand and look behind, or place your left elbow outside of the right knee and twist. This is called Marichasan type C. Release and change sides. Bring your left heel near your left hips. Your left hand goes back. Either you hug your knee with your right hand or twist with your right elbow outside the left knee. Inhale. Exhale. This pose is very good for your digestion. Release, and now we'll take Navasan boat pose. Again, two options. We can practice with our knees bent, hands come at the side, or we can straighten our legs and breathe. If you have any back issues, then please skip this. Release and bring your feet together for butterfly pose. Clasp your hands behind your feet and fold forward gently. Your elbows can hook inside your thighs and it can help you fold a little more further. Elongate your spine and breathe. Release and lie down on your back. Now we'll take bridge pose. Keep your feet hip-width apart. Pressure of the torso should come on the arms. And lift your torso up. It's normal to have a slight pressure around your neck. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. And release. Now take a full body stretch and settle into Savasana. Relax your body completely. Let your body feel heavy on the ground. hug your knees in and roll to one side. When you feel ready, come up in a seated pose. Make a big circle with your head, clockwise and anti-clockwise. Now gently rub your hands, place them on your eyes and blink your eyes open.
Thank you so much for spending your time and energy with me. I hope this tutorial was helpful, though I am also a beginner. I've been only doing it for 5 months. But do let me know if you want longer videos. Thank you.